What's up, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. And I think about now you guys have heard about the new YouTube program. So the YouTube program, if you guys don't know about it yet, is people that make money on YouTube. YouTube basically has said, you know what, there's some things we got to do because a lot of people are taking advantage of the program. And they previously had to say, well, if you hit 10,000 total views, then you're eligible to be on the YouTube program. Then yesterday, what they did was they said, okay, listen, too many people are taking advantage, so now what we're going to do is to get on the YouTube program and get money, start making money from YouTube, you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Okay, what does this mean and what does it do to people? Anybody that is a new YouTuber or is trying to get into the YouTube game, a lot of people there's so much competition now. Everybody's trying to get on it. They want to make some money. And a lot of people what have been doing is they've been taking other people's videos, posting them on their channel, and they've been making some money, and which is wrong because they've basically been stealing other people's videos and they're benefiting for it. So that's where I think this is a good thing with this new approach to monetization, because now all those people that were trying to take money from other creators, they're going to be vetted out in a different approach. But now there is one bad thing about that. It's making it harder for YouTube creators or small people to go up in the ranks. Because a lot of people were saying in the ad recommended videos that are on the side, YouTube won't recommend your videos because you don't have AdSense. Because YouTube wants to make money and it's rather recommend videos that have ad revenue. So for example, let me show you. If you're on any type of video, you're watching it, and then on the side, most likely, as you can see here, it's all The Daily Show, or it's channels that basically have some AdSense that's going to benefit the creator and benefit YouTube. But anybody that's a small creator most likely won't show up here. Anyways, having that said that, a lot of people thought that one of the requirements is that you got to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time. This doesn't mean that you got to have 4,000 hours of video on your channel. What you have to do is go to your YouTube channel, go into analytics, and under it, go into watch time. Then make sure you click on 365 days, because that's what it is within the previous 12 months. So once you're at the 12 months, so for example, this is my other channel, Fake versus Real. So if you have 38,000 minutes, so you just bring out a calculator and do some math. So 38,483, whoop, so let's do it again. 38,483, you divide that by 60 minutes. I have only 641 hours, so definitely I'm going to be terminated by next month. So recently, when I just logged into my account, for example, I seen this. We're making changes to the YouTube Partner Program. As a result, your channel will no longer be eligible for monetization from February 20th. Now, on their blog, they also talked about manually reviewing some YouTubers, but honestly, I don't think this is going to affect a lot of people. Just the 1% of YouTube that are actually up there with millions of views and subscribers. There's another thing that I actually wanted to talk about. A lot of people are saying, okay, small YouTubers are going to be affected, etc., which is correct, but if you really think about it, they're not losing as much. It was just a couple dollars that they were getting if you actually had less than 1,000 subscribers or less than 4,000 hours of watch time. So another thing that I would recommend is, anyways, what I recommend for everybody to do is, if you are an upcoming creator on YouTube, there's other ways you can make money. You can go to Patreon, sign up as a creator, and then have your fans help you out, support you. If they pledge $1, $5, $10, you can basically give them some incentive towards it. You can give them first access to some videos, you can send them out some merch, whatever you have. Talking about merch, there's another thing you can do, which is go to Teespring and make your own merch. Put your logo on it, put some nice design on it, post it on here, and make some money through this, and let your fans know about it. If they want to support you, they can go ahead and just buy some merch from this website. This is another way you can make money. Don't just depend on YouTube on making money, because at the end of the day, they really don't give that much. It's literally almost $1 for every 1,000 views. So for example, these 16,000 views that I have, I probably got 16 bucks. You need to hit a threshold of $100 before you even get paid from Google. Alright, that's it for now, guys. If you guys learned anything from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have a chance, go check out my new channel, Fake versus Real. Hopefully you guys can support me with enough watch time hours so I can be boosted up there and get qualify again for the YouTube program. And another thing that I want to mention is we can all help each other out. So in the comment section below, what I want you guys to do is, if you are one of those upcoming creators and you need some help, whether you're close to 4,000 hours or you need 1,000 subscribers, post your link down below and then let us all work together and try to help each other out. Anyways, hope you guys have a successful 2018. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.